Hello, today we will guide you through how to install an incoming SMS app in Bitrix24. In this walkthrough, we'll get an incoming SMS app set up so messages can flow directly into your Bitrix24 environment. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in and ideally have permission to install apps. A stable connection helps, and if your workspace uses a custom interface or language, some labels may look slightly different, but the flow is the same. Start by opening Bitrix24 and heading to Chat and Calls. This is the messaging hub you likely use for internal chats and calls, and it's a convenient starting point because the app we're installing is designed to deliver SMS right into your chats. Once you're in Chat and Calls, look along the top of the screen for the Market option. The Market is Bitrix24's app marketplace where you can find integrations and extensions. If you don't immediately see it, try expanding the header controls or checking for an apps or market label depending on your interface. Click Market to open the marketplace. In the search bar, type TWSMs, all one word. Spelling matters here, so enter it exactly as written to surface the correct app. After the results load, select the SMS listing from the results page. Opening the app page gives you an overview of what it does, screenshots, and developer information. Take a moment to confirm it's the app you expect to use for receiving incoming SMS. Before you proceed, make sure you're already subscribed to the plan that allows this integration. Some marketplace apps or features require specific Bitrix24 plans or paid tiers from the app provider. If installations are restricted in your account, you may need an administrator to confirm or complete the process. Verifying this up front prevents interruptions during setup. When you're ready, click Install. Bitrix24 may display a permissions or access window outlining what the app can do, such as accessing chats or posting messages. Review the details, then confirm to continue. The installation typically takes a few moments. When it finishes, you should see a confirmation, and the app will be available within your Bitrix24 environment. Depending on the app's design, you might be guided to a brief setup screen inside the app page to finalize basic options. If that appears, follow the on-screen prompts and save. That's it. You've navigated to Chat and Calls, opened the Market, searched for and selected TWSMs, confirmed your plan, and completed the installation. You're now ready to route incoming SMS messages into Bitrix24, helping your team capture conversations where you already collaborate.